Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is March 3rd, and we are going to take a look at Tesla stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. Tesla could not cross 879. So we closed at 839.29, down $40.60. That's 4.61%. Post market, we are up $1.31. So let's look at what we have here on the chart. Looking at numbers does not tell us a whole lot. Looking at the chart and the patterns, then this is what is telling us a lot. So we have been in a downward channel since November 4th. Look at this. Lower high, a little bit of an exception right here and an exception right here. Lower high, lower high, low high. And we even went lower here. We even went steeper here in terms of the downtrend. Stabilized a little bit, getting close to 940. Could not break 940. Came down super low at almost as low as 700. Then came back up, and 879 that does not hold. So we cannot break 879 at all. We tried for the past 4 days. Look at this. We touched it with the high of the day. We broke it with the high of the day, broke it with the high of the day. This was looking good. We were getting higher and higher, but today it just broke down. So significantly big red candle going down. So this is now a resistance. This is now a resistance. Let's go see the 1 hour chart to see how this played out. Yes, we had one last try. We opened right here, right at 879, crossed it during the first hour, then came back down. And after this candle right here, we had lost our stochastic over 60. We had lost our stochastic. So the rest was pretty much history. It's not true. We came on the support. We came on the support and we could have gone back up. But once we lost support, we didn't have stochastic either. We just started to go down. Let's go back to the daily chart. So we have a stochastic at 56. So we have lost on the daily chart. We didn't have it for long. We lost over 60 on the daily chart. We lost it. So now, yes, I don't have much expectation for tomorrow. Yeah, I'm easily thinking we could go back to 800. We still have MACD crossed over bullish, but that's not saying too much. RSI is pointing back down, so never went to 50, which indicates a bullish trend. So we never got that there. And obviously, DMI is a very slow indicator. When DMI is green, you can expect that the stock is going to move up for a more significant amount of time. So we did not have that here. DMI became green December 22nd. So this was a nice move from December 22nd. You could have entered at around $1,000 and gotten out. You can get out at any point, but it went up to 1,200 at that point. Yeah, what can I say? Markets maybe are not that strong. Let's look at the VIX. VIX is stabilizing a little bit in terms of the yields. Years are jumping back up a little bit. So this is not good for stocks. In terms of Dow Jones, we touched the descending resistance that we have here. And since we don't have a stochastic over 60, we might just be coming back down again for this one. SPX, the same thing. Nasdaq Composite. This one does not fit as well in terms of the lines as the Dow Jones. Look at how Dow Jones is pretty perfect in terms of the touches. It's pretty perfect. It was perfect today. And Nasdaq 100. So maybe we are just heading back down with the indices. This is maybe just a global market downtrend. Let me see if we can do something like this. Yes, so yeah, there's another red line for you guys. So we are, yeah, this seems like we are making a little bit of a channel within this broader channel. So let's keep track of that. We'll have to be a bit more patient to see the stock going long. Tomorrow is Friday, so if you are a YouTube member, you get to suggest stocks for me to analyze on my Friday special request video. So becoming a YouTube member is only $5 a month. $5 a month, and you can suggest me stocks for me to analyze every single month. How fast can you lose $5 on the stock market? In a fraction of a second. We can lose $1,000 in a day, $1,000 in an hour. So this is a $5 that is really well invested. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. You can also click on my TradingView affiliate link if you like what I do. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.